If I told you you could burn a screen in 30 seconds, would you believe me? Probably not. But I'm here with Kaylee from Xpress Screen, and she's gonna show us how. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Science, and I help people start t-shirt business from home, and wherever you're at. And we're gonna get to it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know that you do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. Yes, I mean all the time. All right, so we're here at the Xpress Screen booth here in Charlotte, North Carolina at the Graphics Pro Expo. Tell us what Xpress Screen has to offer.
Xpress Screen does really easy screen printing using a new technology that's actually been out for a long time, but people just don't get out of the dark and don't want to try something new. But this is kind of a new way of doing screen printing. You're using no chemicals, no darkroom, no emulsion, no water, burning any image in 30 seconds in the small ones, 90 seconds in the big machines. We have 4 different machines that we offer. We do like ones that are big for your frame size, like something way bigger than that, and then something small for that. So it kind of has something different, the same for every person and their needs. And it's just an easier way, saving time, money, fast cleanup, labor costs, everything. This is the new generation for screen printing for sure, and something definitely helpful.
Now, which machine are we going to be looking at today?
We're going to look at the My Screen, the little cute one that's very portable, small. You can do it in the college dorm. You can literally do it in your living room. Everyone's like, oh, but I don't have a big old building, like commercial building. You can do it literally, and we're doing it in a little small 10 by 20. You can take it anywhere. It's very portable. DPI is 203. You can do 200 impressions. This thing does a lot, and the fact that it does it in 30 seconds is what really wows people.
Yeah, it definitely does, man. Listen, we're about to jump into tutorial. All right, so I just downloaded the T-Shirt Science logo on here right now. I'm gonna AirDrop it to the computer real quick. We're gonna see how easy it is to make a screen with the My Screen from Xpress Screen. Let's do it. I AirDropped her my artwork right here. She's like, we don't have Wi-Fi. No problem. I'm like, I'm gonna AirDrop it. You got a Mac. It works on Mac. No machines, no equipment in this industry natively works on Mac. So that excited me right off the bat. So now you guys are about to check out this tutorial right now.
Okay, so first of all, we use no chemicals, no darkroom, no emulsion, no water, nothing. This is a new way of screen printing, but it's been out for like a while, but we're all still stuck in the dark. We need to get out of the dark. Anywho, go ahead and make sure you can use any software. It can be CorelDRAW, Illustrator. Get your USB cord connected to the computer, and then I'm just gonna put send image like this. And then, so we have our plastic frame, and then we have our double-sided sticky tape that we have to put onto the frame. You're gonna go ahead and just take one, and then give me the rest. Perfect. So, for you to actually go ahead and make this burn, you have to make sure you have a mesh side, you have a shiny side. So feel the shiny side, that's the shiny side. So shiny to sticky. The shiny has to go face down, and then the mesh is going to be looking at you. So go ahead and kind of adjust it, make sure it's all on the frame. Perfect. And then kind of make this a little stray, make sure there's no little bubbles, so kind of just pick it up a little bit. You can adjust it, make sure it goes all the way down. This is the most important part here.
Tight screen.
Yep, tight screen. And then we're getting ready to burn. Let me just turn the computer real quick.
I think that's tight.
I think that's perfect. So, turn it around, and then you see the little arrows right there. There's arrows right here, and you got the 2 holes. Go ahead and put that inside and make sure the arrows go inside, or the holes go inside there. Perfect. And then you go ahead and put send image. And then once that little thing pops up, you're going to go ahead and hold down for 30 seconds. So hold down with 2 hands. If you let it go, you're going to ruin it. So hold down really tight. Perfect. And the DPI is 203, and you can do 200 impressions. So this mesh costs $2, $3, $3.75, and that's just for one screen. So you can do 200 impressions for that much. You're not wasting a lot of money at all.
And the details good. You got those little dots right there.
Look at that. This is a good image too.
It's a great logo.
So traditional takes forever. This will probably take you like 2 hours, 3 hours to like, you know, have to kill the emulsion. We just burn an image in 30 seconds. So you're done. Yeah, go ahead and take it out like that. And you can see it's perfectly burnt. It looks beautiful. And now we're gonna go ahead and start our production.
All right, so we got the image burned on the screen right here. Looks good. What's next?
We're gonna go and use our metal frames, kind of like a sandwich. You got like the one that is like totally flat, and then you're gonna go ahead and use that and turn it around where the image is kind of like it's kind of like right now. And then we put this on top. That's like our bread, like for a sandwich. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our clamps real quick. So we do clamps this side, and this side. So there's a certain way you put the clamps on. You're gonna go like, so you can do that, doctor. And then turn it around and go on this side and do it the same way you did that one.
These clamps is like...
Turn, is that the right side? Yeah, perfect.
These are sturdy clamps too.
And then go ahead and put it on top. I'll put it like this. Perfect. And then you're gonna go ahead and take this, and this is gonna go inside here to make it sturdy and make it easy. Okay, and then, yeah, we did. And the reason we're doing it this way is that this one has like, say it has like the sides. This way is easier for you to go. We're gonna go ahead and you want to use red or black? Black. Okay, it's officially tight. I'm gonna put it down. And then you're gonna go ahead and put a long right here. It's still gonna put lines on this part. Perfect. You just kind of add a long here on that side. And let's get you a squeegee.
Right.
Ready? You know how to squeegee? Yep. Ready? And go. Yeah. Perfect. Yep. Besides that was a bit ink there.
Yep, smooth. And you can see the little details right there around the collar and the sleeve. Great clarity in this design right here. All right, so we got it all lined up and ready. I was amazed at how fast my screen actually worked. 30 seconds to burn the screen. That's unheard of. No mess, no cleanup, take it off, throw it away. So that excited me. Now it's time to put it to work and print it on an actual t-shirt. So I have a shirt from Los Angeles Apparel right here, size medium streetwear shirt. So we're gonna print it up. Any special things that we should know when it comes to printing now?
Not really. You have a really good squeegee pull. The only cool thing about this is that you can do, again, 200 impressions. So you can just leave this up here and you can just go crazy. And all you have to really do is just, get the shirt, move it, take a shirt, move it. 200 impressions. And then also each like screen is like $2.75. You're not really wasting a lot if you think about it. You're saving so much money with our system.
The thing that I like about this is when you have a customer coming in and they want some screen printed shirts, they want a dozen or 2 dozen. You can burn the screen. They can, and again, go to the corner store, go get something to drink, and come back, and I'll be done in 30 minutes, right? And normally it's like, oh, I'll see you in 2 weeks. So if you got shirts on hand, you can get right to that person being able to print and leave the same day with some screen printed shirts, and that'll give you a leg up locally for sure.
Literally, you can just airdrop and then voila, it's
Send me your artwork, airdrop it to me, right? So we're gonna go ahead and print. This isn't mounted down, so you get the picture there. That is a very, very clean print. All right, guys, you guys just see me burn a screen in 30 seconds and get done printing the shirt in another 30 seconds, start to finish, maybe 5 minutes. That's unheard of in this industry. So thank you, Kaylee, for having me here at Xpress Screen and showing me my screen. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, put them down in the comments below. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.
Bye.